What's up, guys? Welcome back to the KRR here on the Hot Rails. We are filming my 14th train here in Idabel, Oklahoma. First of all, we got a train coming from Ashdown. My schedule's decided. I knew this was going to happen. I don't know if my buddy Marshall will be up here. I say that every video, but I'm serious about it because last night he didn't make it. He was eating, and I don't know if he'll make it tonight, but we do have a neighbor with me right now. But yeah, I don't know if he'll make it tonight. It's like, seriously, like right down the track. I'm not even kidding. I looked and it's like right down the track. So, it's a easy if he'll make it. Booyah! Told you. I just don't know. He ain't gonna make it because it's like right there. I see it coming out of the distance. Well, oh well, if you don't make it. It's okay, bro. It's okay, brother. If you don't make it, it's just okay. The last few days you've been lying, but I'm okay. Alright. It's like every time I bring a neighbor, they get here early. But when me and my mom will wait, they get here late. So I don't know the deal here. I don't know. But yeah. There they come down the railroad. Right down there. Yeah, I guess I'll record myself, I guess, okay. That's fine. And what? It's right there. Alright, so welcome back to the KRR here. We're filming it once again on the 31st of January 2022. There they come down the railroad on the hot rails. So I'm expecting no Marshall tonight. Yay. Alright, let's get the hot rails in action, everybody. You ready, everyone? I'm ready. As long as I have futuristics. Alright, it's getting closer. Well, it just sped up, so. Yee. Come on, get across. And I bet you anything they're gonna activate. There they go. About to activate. Wedding. keep telling me you're gonna be up here. Let's go, boys and girls. Let's go! "901. Another Norfolk Southern. 2 of them. Norfolk Southerns. Rapid discharge. BTG. There she goes. Come meet you, Freddy. I think. I'm not for sure, but there she goes. We're on a hot race. Goodbye, train. Winning. All right. So most of you guys ask me, when did I start my train journey? Well, I actually started it on somewhere September 2021. I actually didn't bring my phone to record, but there she goes down the rail. So I actually started it the 5th of January of this month. Or yeah, still this month right now. But yeah, I started this month, and I just didn't know I was gonna continue this for a long time in advance. So I didn't feel like that. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this adventure on the Comanche Railroad, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Please, if you did, go subscribe to my buddy Marshall, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, comment, subscribe. Go, like I said, go subscribe to my buddy Marshall, and go subscribe to my weather person that I like. And I hope you enjoyed. Goodbye, everyone.